Here's a quick summary of how to post an invite-only contest on Cad Crowd. Firstly, to post the contest, you can view the launch contest link here, which will bring you to the contest page, which has all the prompts to get started with your CAD design or engineering challenge. So to get to the invite-only or invite designer area, all you have to do is click the advanced options. Then click invitation only in the invite designers button. If there's any designers that come to mind, you could search for them by name and click the invite button. Then they'll be automatically included in your contest page. It's fine if you only include one designer or two up front and then invite additional designers afterwards. To post an invite-only contest, you'll have to invite at least one designer, so try and remember the username of any one designer you particularly want to invite. So if the person's name was Joe, just make sure you add Joe's name to the contest. You can remove any of the designers that you've invited with the X. And then once you've done that, you simply go to the next page of the contest and you'll be prompted to move forward. And as you can see here, you need to invite at least one designer to post an invite-only contest. The reason to post an invite-only contest are typically for increased confidentiality. However, invite-only contests are typically not recommended except for budgets exceeding $5,000, simply because you'll be working with a far smaller number of designers, and to get the same participation rate from the designers you invite to the contest versus the 20,000 designers on the platform that will receive an auto email as of late 2018, your participation rate will be far lower unless the contest budget is far higher. So that's one suggestion for that. If you do require a higher level of confidentiality, we recommend our private project services. To get a free quote on our private project services, simply just click the get a quote button to get started with that. However, if your budget is sufficient and you're happy with moving forward with your invite-only contest, the only other step to take once you post your invite-only contest and it's active is to invite the users. So to do that, there's basically sorry, wrong link here. You basically can go to the leaderboard and click into any user's profile and click hire and invite to contest this way. So the leaderboard is the one option. The other option is the designer search page, where once again you could invite any specific designer to a contest. Okay, so if you have any questions about launching an invite-only design contest on Cad Crowd, definitely let us know and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.